Most people believe aging is a clock. They think it's a slow, inevitable march toward decay. They are wrong. Since antiquity, the rishis and sages understood that time does not corrupt the body. Rather, the body loses its ability to resist time. Ancient wisdom calls this resilience Prana. Modern science calls it Vagal tone. In the ancient tradition of Kaya Kalpa, it was known that a man is only as young as his nervous system is flexible. Aging is not just the passage of years, it is the accumulation of biological noise when the life force is withdrawn. You are not growing old, you are rusting from the inside out because your inner sanctuary, the vagus nerve, has fallen silent. Today, we restore the temple. The remote control to your biology is in your hand. The vagus nerve is the superhighway of your existence. It is the literal physical link between your brain, the consciousness, and your heart, the life force. When this nerve is active, your body floods with nitric oxide. Inflammation markers plummet, and your DNA protecting telomeres, what the ancients called the ojas, or the essence of youth, stay intact. But when survival mode takes over, your body enters a state of Kshay, the wastage. It steals energy from your immune system to fuel a fight that never happens. This is the invisible drift. If you do not intentionally activate this nerve, you are biologically accelerating your own expiration date. We are performing a biological hack to force your cells back into repair and regenerate mode. In the ancient schools, no transformation was recognized unless it lasted a full lunar cycle. I am challenging you to a 14-day cellular reset. This is your sadhana, your disciplined practice. If you do this once, you will feel a shift. If you do this for 14 days, you will rewrite your genetic expression. Most people will stay in survival mode until they break. Do not be the most people. Come back to this video every single morning. I will guide you through the first 3 repetitions. You will then complete 6 more in the silence of your own temple. Total 9 repetitions. The 4-7-8 anchor. The whoosh. This is the system clear out. In yoga, we call this Shuddhi, the cleansing. We are dumping the CO2 and residual cortisol that acts like acid in your veins. Inhale through nose for 4 seconds. Draw the energy up from the base of your spine. Hold for 7 seconds. Let the light saturate your tissues. This is the kumbhaka, the jar that holds the nectar. The whoosh. Release through the mouth for 8 seconds, a forceful release. Let's do 3 together. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And release through your mouth with a whoosh sound. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale through mouth with a whoosh sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale through the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do 6 more repetitions on your own. Drive the decay out of your marrow. Practice number 2, the Ujjayi thermostat. Now, we tone the nerve by constricting the throat, the Vishuddha center. You are physically massaging the vagus nerve. This creates Agni, internal fire, that warms the blood and creates heart-brain coherence. Now, let's do it together for 3 rounds. Inhale through your nose. Exhale with a thick oceanic ha sound, as if fogging a mirror in front of you. Inhale deep, expand, exhale. Feel the vibration of the ocean within. Again, inhale deep, expand, exhale. Feel the vibration. Let's do one more. Inhale deep, expand, exhale. Now do 6 more repetitions on your own. Listen to the sound of your own repair. Practice number 3, the Bhramari resonance, the humming bee. This is the ultimate biohack. Humming creates acoustic resonance that triggers a massive release of nitric oxide. The ancients called this Nada Yoga, the yoga of sound. You are literally vibrating your DNA back into its original perfect geometry. Inhale through your nose with your lips sealed. Exhale with a steady sound. Let the vibration rattle your skull. Let's do 3 together. Inhale, exhale. Once again, inhale, exhale. Once more, inhale and exhale with Now, do 6 repetitions on your own. Shatter the old stress with frequency. Practice number 4, the cellular revision. Your system is now a sanctuary. Visualize your blood flowing like liquid gold. Look at a difficult memory. Do not fear it. Revise it. See it as a fuel for your growth. This is the alchemy of the mind. Inhale light. Exhale the old version of you. Again, inhale the light. Exhale the old version of you. Do it again. Inhale light. Exhale the old version of you. You have just shaved time off your biological clock. You have moved from survival to sovereignty. Aging is a choice made by a neglected nervous system. The remote is in your hand.